For manufacturers, quality issues may be hiding in plain sight. Disconnected data and disparate systems can give you a distorted view of your products and processes. With advanced analytics, you're able to see your data differently so you can improve your performance quality. See wider. Powerful analytics captures data from the factory floor and beyond to provide a holistic view of your enterprise. See deeper. Productive analytics gives you up-to-the-minute performance insights so you can make real-time, intelligent decisions. See ahead. Proactive analytics gets you in front of quality issues early so you can take action before they become a problem. See results. With Pinnacle Solutions, we can help you envision success. We combine our manufacturing expertise with world-class solutions powered by Intel and SAS, the industry leader in advanced analytics, to customize the right analytics program for you. Bring greater clarity to your operations and achieve better yields at lower costs.